Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we will show you how to remove steering wheel airbag guys. We'll demonstrate on Chevy Cruze, but it may work on Chevy Sonic, Chevy Trax and maybe even Equinox guys. Quite a few Chevy vehicles, even Malibu maybe. So stay with us guys. We're going to explain how to do that on Chevy Cruze. So make sure you consult your manual that we have the same kind of airbag, the same type before we remove it. But we'll show you guys how to do that on 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work on multiple models and multiple years as well. Quick introduction guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need any parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can guys get parts for a super good price and super fast shipping as well. So let's continue on the airbag removal now. So first we need to open the hood. That will be the first step guys. Support it, and now what we will need to do, we need to go ahead and find the battery, car battery. And now guys, it's very important how we disconnect it. Okay, you're going to disconnect the negative cable first. You always disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, so we're going to disconnect it with a 10mm wrench. Perfect. Now we're going to disconnect the positive. So that cap is actually broken. What I'm going to do, remove it, otherwise you just open it. Okay, and let me show you now. We're going to disconnect, okay, the positive terminal here. It's very important to disconnect both of them. Make sure that the negative is far away. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just go ahead, lift it up, okay, and I want to make sure it's not going to touch, so I'm going to put a couple, okay, a couple cords like that. Now what we need to do, we need to wait guys at least 1 hour before the repair. Now if you're not qualified or certified guys, okay, to work on airbags, do not do the job. I wouldn't recommend it. So consider that guys entertaining video, another how-to video guys, unless you have the necessary qualifications. So let's go ahead and continue now. So it's been at least 1 hour. Now we can go ahead and continue on the inside. So what we need to do next guys, we need to get the key, insert the key so we can turn the steering wheel. Okay, let me show you, all the way upside down. Okay, like that. Extend it as much as you can towards you so you have more room to work with. And now let me explain, okay, what's happening here. Okay, sorry about the camera being a little bit crazy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a screwdriver guys. Okay, Phillips screwdriver, okay, like this one here. On the back you have 2 holes, so it's important to go in the holes. Okay, you may feel pushing a little bit of foam, that's fine. Make sure the battery has been disconnected at least 1 hour. Go in an angle. Okay, let me show you what angle we're talking about. Okay, hopefully you can see as much of an angle as you can guys. Okay, to the outside. Now you're going to feel one metal piece, and when you do, pry to the inside. Okay, and let me show you what's going to happen to the airbag. Okay, it's going to get loose on this side. Okay, right here. Now we need to pull it a little bit, go to the other side. Now you're going to go, okay, this way facing, okay, to the outside on this side now. Okay, as much as you can. Then grab the metal piece. Okay. Let me just grab it with 2 hands because I won't be able to. Okay, perfect. It came loose guys. Okay, let me show you now in a better angle. So once we disconnect it, I'm going to remove the airbag and show you how to do that. Now, what do we have here guys? Okay, right here, that orange thing needs to come straight up. I mean, don't twist it left or right or anything like that. Don't use any metal tools because you can guys explode that airbag and that can kill you. And gently pull it out. Airbag is out. Now, with that being said guys, I can explain, okay, what's happening here now. Let's just hold the light, okay, like that, so I can show you a little bit what's happening. Okay, perfect. Now, if I come with the screwdriver, okay, check it out, in an angle on the right side, okay, like that, I'm going to grab that metal piece right here and check it out how it moves. Okay, when I move the screwdriver to the outside, when I pry to the outside. Same thing happens, okay, on this side now. Okay, screwdriver is in, I'm going to pry towards the inside again. and that metal piece moves out as well. You can see, and that's how we guys, okay, disconnect the steering wheel airbag. So that, guys, actually should work on multiple vehicles, maybe Chevy Cruze. I think it should work on Chevy Sonic and maybe Chevy Trax as well, guys. Quite a few vehicles use that design. Equinox might be that way, the new one from 2012 up, but not all of them, guys. So always double check that you have the same hose, and always consult your manual before starting removing it. But you can see that's how you guys remove that steering wheel airbag on Chevy vehicles. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.